This is the new Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G, and this might just be the best gaming phone from Tecno. Anyways, in this video, we'll be diving deep into everything you need to know about this device, from its performance to the display, battery life, and many more. But before then, please smash that like button and that subscribe button. We're aiming for 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Thank you. Starting with what comes in the box, as usual, we are graced with the phone itself in all its glory, the case, which is also nice, the 70-watt charger and cable, plus the wired headphones, and that means only one thing: the headphone jack. Nice. Now that that is out of the way, let's talk about the price. The Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G costs around $329 or less on eBay at the time of making this video, as you can see. So let's find out if all that actually worth it. For my Nigerian people, it's not available in Nigeria yet as of the time of making this video, but hopefully before the end of the year. Fingers crossed. The Tecno Pova 6 Pro is a sleek looking 5G device with IP53 dust and splash resistant rating. Remember, I said splash resistant, so don't take this phone swimming this summer, but a splash in the zinc shouldn't kill it. It has this blinking LED interface around the rear camera, which gives this cool and gaming look. We talk more on that later. In terms of look and the design, the Tecno Pova 6 Pro looks really good and amazing. The only downside here is that it is giving this glossy look at the back, which makes it a little bit of a fingerprint magnet, and that is where the case comes in. And the good thing is that the case also comes in the box. Nice. It also got this 3.5mm headphone jack, which is why we have got an headphone in the box, which makes sense for a gaming phone. Wireless headphone works too, but there's always delay while gaming, so I recommend a wired headphone. Let's talk about the display, which is a very important part for a gaming phone. This device got a 6.78 inches AMOLED display, which I would say with symmetrical bezels roundabout. So you can see it's a pretty big phone. It has a resolution of 1080p by 2436 pixels and support for 120Hz refresh rate, which is a no-brainer for a gaming phone. Not only that, we have a peak brightness of 1300 nits, which makes it visible to view outdoors. Included is a stereo speaker setup, which means gaming and consuming content on this device is amazing and you will have no problem. Because it's an AMOLED display, we also got an always on display, which you can customize to your preference, and to be honest, that is a great addition. And yeah, the Tecno Pova 6 Pro got an under display fingerprint sensor, which is fast and secure. You also got the face unlock option, but bear in mind that it is less secure. What is the usefulness of making a gaming phone and it doesn't play game well? Well, the Tecno Pova 6 Pro delivers in the performance department. It launches with a MediaTek 6080 processor, and this device will handle whatever games you throw at it. This beast will run it smoothly, coupled with 8 and 12 gigs of RAM and 256 to 512 gigs of internal storage, which, don't forget, is also expandable. The RAM is also expandable with a portion of your storage up to 16 gigs of RAM, but if you ask me, it is not necessary. When it comes to battery life, the Tecno Pova 6 Pro delivers again. This device is equipped with 6000 mAh battery, and you can be sure to game for hours with no problem. This device will last you through the entire day or even 2 days if you don't game that much, with a single charge. And talking of charging, it is capable of 70 watts of fast charging, which can charge your phone from 0 to 100 under 1 hour. Bear in mind that this device shouldn't be charged overnight. The ice on the cake is that the Pova 6 Pro even supports reverse wire charging at 10 watts, so you can juice up your accessory, your controller, or even your friend's phone. Software is Android 14 out of the box. It is your typical HiOS scheme, with some tweaks and changes for the Pova 6 Pro. Example is the game space, where all your games are located and you can customize it if you want. Also, the light glitch interface I mentioned at the beginning of the video can also be customized to your taste. Software updates isn't guaranteed, but I think Tecno should give us 2 years of software updates. Fingers crossed on that. And there's this popular saying that gaming phones don't always have the best camera system. And that is kind of true here. The Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G got a 108 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel secondary lens, and a 0.8 megapixel auxiliary lens with a 32 megapixel selfie camera, which these lenses can all take good and okay pictures under great lighting condition. But when it comes to videos, it can only shoot at 1440p 30 frames per second max for both the rear and the front camera, which is decent with a lot of camera options to choose from that you never see on even flagship phones, which is actually a big deal. But hey, let me know your own thoughts in the comment section below. But for me, the Tecno Pova 6 Pro is actually a good gaming device from Tecno. From its display to the performance, software, and even battery life, these devices checks all the box for me. So if you have the money, you can actually grab this device. Yes, that's my thoughts. Let me know your own thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.